Welcome back to the channel. Today I have got a message that might just change your life. It is all about not wasting your time and unleashing your full potential. So, if you have been feeling stuck, demotivated or unsure of where to go next, this is the video you have been waiting for. Time is your most valuable asset. Your time on this planet is limited and it is the one resource you can never get back. Every second that passes is an opportunity, a chance to grow, to learn, to achieve. Don't squander it on things that don't matter. Don't waste it on negativity, self-doubt or procrastination. Use it wisely and you will see incredible results. Set clear goals. To avoid wasting time, you need direction. Set clear, achievable goals for yourself. These goals will act as your roadmap, guiding you through the journey of life. Without them, you are like a ship adrift in the ocean with no destination. Define your goals, both short-term and long-term, and keep your eye on the prize. Take action. Goals are nothing without action. Dreaming is important, but it is the actions you take that turn those dreams into reality. Stop hesitating and start doing. Every step forward, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goals. Don't wait for the perfect moment, seize the moment and make it perfect. Embrace failure. Understand that failure is not the end, it is a stepping stone to success. It is where you learn, grow and refine your skills. Don't be afraid to fail. Be afraid of not trying. Failure is a teacher, not an obstacle. Learn from it, adapt and keep moving forward. In today's world, distractions are everywhere and they can easily eat away at your time. Identify the things that pull you away from your goals, whether it is excessive screen time, procrastination or negative influences. Take steps to eliminate or minimize these obstructions to regain control of your time. Surround yourself with positivity. The company you keep can either propel you forward or hold you back. Surround yourself with people who support your dreams and aspirations. Positive, uplifting individuals can provide the motivation and encouragement you need to keep going, even when times get tough. Never stop learning. Knowledge is power and the pursuit of knowledge is a lifelong journey. Invest your time in learning new skills, gaining insights and expanding your horizons. The more you know, the more opportunities you will discover and create for yourself. So there you have it, my friends. Time is the most precious resource you have, and you have the power to make the most of it. Don't waste it on doubt, fear or inaction. Set your goals, take action, embrace failure, eliminate distractions, surround yourself with positivity. Never stop learning. Remember, the journey to success is a marathon, not a sprint, and every moment you spend wisely gets you one step closer to your dreams. Don't waste your time because you have the potential to achieve greatness. The world is waiting for your unique talents and contributions. Now go out there and make the most of every second. Thanks for watching, and remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more motivational content.